Fun with fire. Tonight doing a little teeny tiny fountain that you see in most assortments from TNT Fireworks. It's called Diamond Cutter. Your item number is 20030. There's no performance on this little guy. Lots of diamonds everywhere. Shines bright like a diamond. Exclusive. There's your safe and sane. Oh wait, maybe the item number is the ape 017. That's probably your item number then. Because most of them say ape. Ape 017. It's probably no more than 15 seconds. Not expecting much out of it, but it's time to see what DDP from TNT can do for you. Self high five. Bang! Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Beautiful colors. Greens. That's the diamonds right there, pyro diamonds. Like I said, 10-15 seconds. Sweet.